kedengeran karena belum gencar promosi. Dan jujur aja, impresi pertama pas ngecek converter ini solid. Bagian kepalanya terasa logam padat. Lebih tepatnya ini dari aluminium alloy ya. Dan bagian kabelnya pun tebal. Soal terluakan, saya udah tes dulu beberapa minggu dan sampai sekarang masih berfungsi dengan baik. Bisa jadi nanti kapan-kapan kita upload lagi di video long term reviewnya. Penasaran? Yang lagi saya coba ini modelnya MHA 20K yang untuk USB Type-C. Panjang kabelnya 2 meter dan sanggup menampilkan up to 4K. Sayang, video hanya cuma Full HD, jadi kita tesnya di 1080p aja. Mereka juga versi micro USB dan model lainnya. Bisa dilihat langsung saya tulis di deskripsi seperti biasa ya. Di kotaknya tulisan bahwa ini untuk laptop, tablet atau smartphone. Tapi di video ini kita tes dari smartphone aja yang layarnya kecil. Bukan sebelum kita pasang di TV 40 inch. Ada sedikit lucu di website China ya. Nah, di kotaknya dari sana jadi garansinya sebenarnya 1 tahun, tapi di kotaknya juga minimal. Dari PX ini isinya sendiri masih sampai 1,5 tahun. 14 bulan. Nice. Langsung tes aja ya. Ini simpel banget sekarang pakai setting apa lagi. Tinggal tolong kabel konektor SDPI-nya ke TV dan USB Type-C ke HP. Dan di Samsung Galaxy S9 saya ini langsung gambar yang ada di HP muncul juga di TV. Nah, tapi jangan lupa pilihkan SDPI di TV-nya, jangan sampai salah. Karena ini pakai kabel dan kuncinya adalah dan sehingga saya banget. Kalian perhatikan aja dan bilang dulu ya, kalau menurut saya ini sih HP instan. Perhatikan layar HP sekaligus TV-nya. Terus kamera jernih tanpa lag sama sekali. Lalu kita tes yang tidak bisa dilakukan kalau dengan alat serupa yang wireless alias tanpa kabel. By the way, ini dengan kalian dengar ini apa adanya, nggak saya synchronize.
screen to a projector for presentation in a meeting. I find this cable to be very useful and convenient to use. It allows me to enjoy a larger display whether for work or leisure. There are many other scenarios that you can use in USB-C to 8.
If you are finding about HDMI output for USB Type-C or searching for MHL supported mobile list, you are watching the right video. Or if you are wondering what is MHL, I will explain that too. HDMI output and MHL refers to standards that allow mobile phones to be connected to a display such as TV, monitor, or projector via HDMI. MHL refers to a device that is compatible with mobile high-definition link standard. This standard allows for the connection of mobile devices to HD TVs and other external displays. HDMI output is an alternate mode of a USB Type-C connector that allows HDMI signals to be transmitted over a single USB Type-C cable. This allows for the use of HDMI cables with devices that have a USB Type-C port, such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones. I have reviewed one of these cables, and you can watch the full video in the link in the description or the comment section. But before you even think about buying this cable, it is best for you to check if your mobile phone or tablet supports HDMI output or MHL standards. Follow these easy steps to find out if your mobile device can transmit signals from USB Type-C connector to HDMI. First, check if your phone has a USB Type-C port. If yes, then your mobile device is a newer model and possibly supports HDMI output. If you are using a newer model phone or mobile device, you can use a Type-C video checker app to find out if your phone is supported. Even if your phone is a newer model, it is good to use the app to verify if it supports phone to TV signal transmission. On an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. Search for HDMI Alt Mode Checker. There are many checker apps in this list. I am selecting Checker for Type-C video. Install the app and let it finish. At the time of this video, it is a free app to use. Once installed, start the checkers for Type-C video app. The screen shows the phone details here and a button to check Type-C video support. Click on this button and the result is shown here. This Huawei P30 Pro mobile phone supports USB Type-C to HDMI video, so I can use this cable to display the phone screen to a TV. Now, you can try and test your phone to see if it supports Type-C to HDMI video transmission. If your phone supports Type-C video and you would like to get this cable, I have provided the link in the video description in the comments section. You can click the link and read more about the cable before purchasing it. Let's try another phone, Oppo A74 5G. I've installed.
Yo, Tok, di kantor Tok. Di kantor. Tok, tadi Bu Leni nelpon saya barusan. Dia minta tolong sama kamu untuk tolong cekin besok ya kamu ke toko Depo Bangunan sama Mitra 10. Ya, catat Tok ya. Depo Bangunan sama Mitra 10. Nah, nanti tolong dicek kabel NYM 21,5 dan NYM 32,5 Supreme. Dan NYM 32,5 A50 atau A100 sama aja ya. Nah, terus kamu fotoin itu ya, salah satu di foto aja. Terus cek harganya. Itu harganya berapa? Harganya soalnya gini. Ya, harga jual mereka. Soalnya gini, katanya orang-orang di Jakarta di pasaran itu katanya di Surabaya tuh harga Mitra 10 sama Depo Bangunan tuh murah banget. Supreme-nya ya, jadi tolong dicek, difoto harganya, tapi pelan-pelan ya, jangan sampai ketahuan yang gitu ya. Difoto sama harganya sama barcode-nya toh ya. Kalau bisa sebanyak mungkin. Ya, barcode-nya difoto sebanyak mungkin lah, sebisa mungkin ya. A50 atau A100 dan A100 bukan atau ya, dan 21,5, 32,5, A50 dan A100. Nah, terus yang kedua toh juga Bu Leni mesen sekalian aja cek harga Etherna. Harga Eterna di Depo sama di Mitra 10 berapa harganya? Beda jauh nggak sama harga Supreme? Sama item. Ya, sama itemnya ya. Ya udah, itu aja deh ya. Sementara nanti besok aja deh ya. Nanti menuju ke sana apa nanti barcode sama harganya ya, dua-duanya ya, Eterna Supreme. Ya wes, gitu toh ya. Oke, yuk. Gitu toh, thank you.
The same app as the other phone. Phone details are displayed here. Click this button and the result says that this phone does not support USB Type-C input. Let's test these two phones by connecting them to a TV. Use a USB Type-C to HDMI cable such as this. Connect the HDMI connector side to the TV's HDMI input. Connect the USB Type-C connector to the phone. As you can see here, this Huawei P30 Pro phone is capable of displaying its screen to TVs when the app test result. Now, if I try the other phone which failed the app test, it is not going to display the phone's display on the TV. If you want to check for MHL support on your phone, you can use an MHL checker app to find out if your phone is supported. On an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for MHL checker. There are many MHL checker apps in this list which you can choose from. I am selecting MHL checker, check HDMI, as it seems to be quite a popular app. Install the app and let it finish. Once installed, start the MHL checker app. It is a very simple and straightforward interface. There is a box to display the check result and the button to initiate the check. Tap on the check button and wait for the result to be displayed. As you can see here, this Huawei P30 Pro phone does not support MHL. Although it does not support MHL, this phone supports USB Type-C to HDMI video transmission as we have tested using an app earlier. The two Android apps called Checker for Type-C Video app and MHL Checker app allow you to test your phone if it supports video transmission via USB-C to HDMI. Although I can't provide HDMI alt mode for USB Type-C supported mobile list or MHL supported mobile list, you can use the apps to find out the results yourself using your own mobiles. I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy to understand videos on technology related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. MHL Checker, check HDMI, as it seems to be quite a popular app. Install the app and let it finish. Once installed, start the MHL Checker app. It is a very simple and straightforward interface. There is a box to display the check result and the button to initiate the check. Tap on the check button and wait for the result to be displayed. As you can see here, this Huawei P30 Pro phone does not support MHL. Although it does not support MHL, this phone supports USB Type-C to HDMI video transmission as we have tested using an app earlier. The two Android apps called Checker Type-C Video and MHL Checker app allow you to test your phone if it supports video transmission via USB-C to HDMI. Although I can't provide HDMI alt mode or USB Type-C supported mobile list or MHL supported mobile list, you can use the apps to find out the results yourself using your own mobiles. I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy to understand videos on technology related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.
Orang Sidoarjo dulu ya.